This is a reminder to you, Chris. Don't forget, waterfall time.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Chris.
And I'm Ola. And if you're new here,
oh, sorry.
That's my part. And if you're new here, we love to go hiking, exploring, finding abandoned places, and today we're going to be chasing waterfalls, so stick around. Haven't been here for a few years, but here we go. This is our first waterfall, Silverthread Falls. Wow. Oh wow. I don't think we've ever seen it like this. So you can see all of it at once. So we've been here, I think once or twice before, creaky bridge, and we haven't been here in quite some time because I think last time we were here it was all ice and lots of the trail was closed off, there was damage, but it looks like they did repair a lot.
A lot.
A lot.
A lot of new wood you'll see
Yeah.
along the path. I don't know if you can see it in the video yet, but you will.
Back there. But lots of mosquitoes right now, even though it is chilly, which is good.
That's
And
good.
we want to say we were the first ones here.
Yeah, we
The
were.
road, the road was
We
closed.
didn't make it to the parking lot first, but that's because we were bipedaling and they were Flintstoning it.
Yeah.
Right.
So we parked by the gate. The gate was closed at the time.
Yeah.
And we walked up towards the visitor center. It's a little over a mile from the road, the main road.
Yep. Felt like it.
Took us about 18 minutes. We were kind of booking it, but that's still slow.
Well, we stopped a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow. The boardwalk itself is just really
I know.
a prehistoric feeling.
Prehistoric with the rhododendron.
Rhododendron.
You can see it behind. All right, let's keep going. Let's find you those waterfalls. Wow, you need it. Beautiful rocks. Check out. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but
We're gonna go up
Whoa!
there.
he scared me. I didn't hear him behind me. Yeah, we're just gonna take it in a little bit over here, and we are gonna walk to the top, probably around there. Now we're gonna be climbing up some steps so we can get to the top of the waterfall. See how Chris is doing. He's got some technique there. Waterfall time. So we just finished climbing down these stairs, crossing a little stream, and more steps all the way up.
I don't know if she mentioned it, but it's a lot of steps. The lower part is handicap accessible, but this part, you really try your cardio on. Can you see that little behind the scenes? We went up a little bit further than the upper platform to get you this little view. Tiny waterfall that feeds the other bigger waterfall. Very loud here. Oh, it looks like Ola's exploring some more. Let's go find her.
Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification so we know when we post new videos. Leave a comment down below. How was that waterfall? Wasn't it beautiful? Wow. As we're walking back to our car, we just wanted to point out a fun few facts. The walk is pretty short.
Yeah, a little, maybe, what, like 0.6 miles round trip? If that's just if you're walking the boardwalk to the waterfall and back.
Yeah.
You can be ambitious, as the one gentleman said, and you can climb. There are steps, about 250 up. So
which you did see.
down.
Sorry, we got a car. We're just doing our mile back to the car. This is fun.
Gotta keep our eyes and ears open. It's traffic now.
Today was the first day that the gate was opened.
In 3 years, I think he said, right? He said that's
Oh, yeah.
open, or at least the visitor center.
The visitor
I
center.
don't know about the park itself, but the visitor center. I'm trying to think if he said anything else. He was a nice gentleman. Came and talked to us. He was just explaining things to us, and yeah, he went on real quick. So I was trying to recall everything he was telling us. I figured it's a long walk back. It's the perfect time to share that with you. Takes our mind off of this. It's getting warmer now. It's nice.
Yeah. We're going to end the video here. We hope that you guys enjoyed looking at the waterfall, Silverthread Falls. Wow. It's so skinny. It looks really cool.
It is. It's a very strange, like such a tiny like little waterfall. And then you obviously the main one.
The main waterfall as well. So we're going to end the video here. We hope that you enjoyed. So don't forget to
hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification.
Leave a comment down below. Share with your family and friends.
You didn't tell me hit all.
Oh, hit all. I'm sorry.
Taking the whole thing away, but you heard her. Comment, share with your family and friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Bye.